So guys, let's create a new project. Select a sample video or image. Go to Canvas. Select proper aspect ratio. For vertical mode, 9:16. Adjust the size. Now for the effect, go to Pip. Then from your gallery, select any white image you have. Cover the full screen. Go to Blend. From here, select Isolate or Contrast. Now for the effect like the preview, go to Mask. Select the second option. Pinch in or out to adjust the mask size. Position it where you like. And we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.